Autopath Intralogistics. Introducing Autopath Intralogistics, a groundbreaking tool to optimize and enhance your factory's logistical steps. Simulate trajectory vehicles, perform accurate train passage simulations, and visualize movements for efficient and safe operations, including space simulation for forklifts to optimize material placement and avoid collisions. Configure your vehicles on 2D or 3D using 2D or 3D layouts. The simulation in Autopath Intralogistics replaces real testing, allowing for increased productivity, waste reduction, and time savings. Types of simulations that you can do with Autopath Intralogistics. In 2D horizontal analysis, it is possible to verify the vehicle's trajectory in a layout, checking stop positions, avoiding trailer collisions, and optimizing truck passages. In vertical 2D analysis, it is possible to verify the vehicle's trajectory in a vertical plane, avoiding trailer collisions on inclined terrains, elevated bridges, or objects hanging from the factory ceiling. In 3D analysis, it is possible to verify the vehicle's trajectory on a 3D terrain, making the analyses that depend on the height of a layout more accurate, as well as the dimensions in the plane of the machines or objects in the layout. Supported vehicles in Autopath Intralogistics. In Autopath Intralogistics, there are various types of vehicles that are supported and can be edited, such as tugger trains with square configuration, 6 casters configuration, Ackerman 6 pivot points and Ackerman 2 pivot point, hand pallet truck, and electric pallet truck, horizontal order picker, and vertical order picker, walkie stacker, and stacker with operator platform, 3 wheels forklift, 4 wheels forklift, and retractile forklift, AGV and LGV with different configurations of wheels, different trucks. Vehicles libraries in Autopath Intralogistics. Deck with trailers from 4 Lean. Movex with trailers from Still. Jungheinrich with trailers from Fatra, LKE, and Wanzel. Still with trailers. Helga Nyberg with truck from Toyota Material Handling. Master Mover with trailers. Forklift from Nissan. If you have any questions, please contact us.